Kurumjari SKTV News pu yengbiriba khwai pumnamak po Olivia ta khilambamna taram nokjari ahanbada maroiba pausing pizari Manipur da tangdu leitaba fibam puraktana nungaiba yaroi miyamgi leingak ama leirabanina pumnamaki yenglaga thabak tauba tabani haina Chief Minister Y Khemchana phongdokre Amasung Congress Party na District President Khananabagi paikhalakpa Sangadan Srijana Abhiyan gi manung channa Imphal East ki District President Khananaba mifam pangthokpa hokre Hauzik pau sandok pizari Manipur da tangdu leitaba fibam puraktana nungaiba yaroi miyam gi leingak ama leirabanina pumnamaki yenglaga thabak tauba tabani haina Chief Minister Y Khemchana phongdokre ngasi BJP kumbi mandal na silaga salan konjil da pangthokpa Chief Minister Y Khemchan butaram na opagi thoram amada wafamasi mahakna phongdokhibani thoram aduda kumbi AC gi MLA S Premchandra thanga AC gi MLA T Robindro amadi Bishnupur District ki DC Puja Elangbom na chingba miyoi kayana mitung lensing oina saruk yakhe thoram aduga mari leinana Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchana phongdokhibada Manipur gi hauzik oiriba fibam asigi amatangai ra bawaroi sindi tangdu leitaba hanjil hanbane Furubani gi marakta leinariba ungkhatnabagi fibam asina thajanaba ama purakpa ngamdri masina maram oiraga changnabada nungaitabane adubo hauziki oinadi maiteina khundaba mafam singda kuki singna changbada kaidre amaromda jomi miyamna khundaba mafam singda su adumak changbada akaiba leitre adubo mapung oina yengbada maitei singna Churachandpur More amadi Imphal da khundaramba kuki singdi hanjindana leire pumnamak sing asi oituna shu miyam gi leingak ama leirabanina pumnamaki yenglaga thabak tauba tabane Manipur asi santi puraktana nungaiba yaroi haina mahakna makhata ke Chief Minister Y Khemchana makha taraduna sugnu amasung napat faunaba thong asi hayengdagi saba hauraga numit mangani gi manungda loisinana hotnagani thong asi saba loirabadi napat ki lanjenariba miyam masa masa gi yumda hanjenba yaragani makhoi sing asi hek hongjinbaga union government ki scheme amagi makhada lanjenaduna leiruba khul sing semgat sagatnaba thabak paikhatkani madugi damak mahak amuk hanna laktuna yengsin minakisi amaromda moirangdagi kumbi fauraga chatpa wangu gi lambi asisu ngasi dagi numit 15 gi manungda semba hauragani Hairi balambi asi semba loibaga atay wathori balambi singsu semna na bahot nagani haina mahak na makhata na phongdokhi
Ukhadna riba community ani sigi thaja nanda baduni sangba noitris sem job nairagadi maitaina taba jagada ek sangbadi ke sukaidre bakoi isu wi jomi sinna taba jagada wi sang ke sukaide hanjanari adu mapumoina Churachandpur More amadi Imphal gi Peri the Leramba, Uki, Sinau Sing Mayamsu, Hansen than the lady. Ado Sasan Nebisi Lakpataragadi, a Puni, Kutabadi, Aduna, and a Tamjarisi, we give Manipusi, Santi, Portana, Maibiaroi, Wangu, Sapatana, Manipusakopayaroi, Adana Wangu, our park with him, a Matek Bank, we also get Hajar Kanda, a Punamatagi, Lucian, we are Tendobs.
Congress Party na District President Khananabagi paikhatlakpa Sangathan Srijana Abhiyan SSA gi manung channa Imphal East District ki District President Khananaba ngasidagi mifam pangthokpa hokre Congress Party na miyam gi damak leibak sinbathungna Bharat Joro Yatra Bharat Joro Nyay Yatra MG NREGA Bachao Abhiyan amadi Samvidhan Bachao haibana chingba campaign kaya mai pakna pangthokraba matung khongthang asi lokhalakpani Party asibu grassroots level dagi hauna mapangal kalhananabagi pandamda national leaders singi lamjing makhada paikhalakliba khongthang asigi manung channa ngasi Bamon Kampuda leiba ibudhau pangamba Purairomba laibungda miphamadu pangthokibani Maduda SSA gi observer Sarad Raut yauna AICC gi in charge Muhammad Amin Shah PCC Observer KH Devabarta, Muhammad Jakim Hussein, S. Manauton, W. Samjai, Amasung S. Neke Nachingba, Miyoi Kayasu Sarupyake. Thauram aduda Sarit Raut na hai leibaga sida leiriba political party singna district president khanba matamda party atugi senior leader singna traga vote taunaraga khanbagi thabak asi pangthoknei adubu Congress party gi oinadi anoba khongthang ama oina national leader singi lamjing makhada grassroots level dagi hauna worker amadi member khudingmaki wakhalon khangdokpada natana block level district level amadi pradesh phawba Kupna khana nainaraba matung president khananabagi khongthang asi paikhatpani masina party asibu hena mapangal kankhat hanba khaknatana miyamgi marakta hena nungsinaba amadi cheksinba mari ama sagatpa ngamgani haike
Season Sangathan program is a program to make the party organizationally stronger, to keep the responsibility in the hand of the befitting persons, eligible persons, committed persons for the party, preferably from the younger generation, and also by taking the opinion of workers working at the grassroots level. Congress wanted to bring a change in that situation in the modalities of selection of DCC president and office bearers, and this will percolate to the bottom also. After that, the state in the same way, same pattern, the same thing, we can go up to block level, constituency level, and therefore mandal level and booth level. This is the program we have started with from the district, and this program will continue till we select a right and perfect person for the booth committee, for the panchayat committee, for the mandal committees and block committees.
Ngarang Wabagai Higher Secondary School gi center da thokhiba thodok adugi matang da education department na inquiry committee ama semduna achumba thidok laba matung mara leibasing chairak pigadabani haina desam na taksilakli Hiramasigi matang da ngasi kaisampata leiba Democratic Students Alliance of Manipur desam gi office ta pangthokiba pawgi mifam amada mahairoi lup asigi secretary general thodam siamjain hai Ahenba matam hapu yadi haibigi wahauda ngarang Wabagai Higher Secondary School gi center da exam thariba mahairoi singna chathakiba thawong aduda mahairoi chani ga kunmari gi paukhum che sing segai duna mang takhanki ba adu desamna akan mamong da condemn tawi thawong ase tawpham thokpa achumba thabak amagum haugalakliba mahairoi singna tawba ngamlakliba asi karidagi no haiba wahang amalakli tanja asida aranba tawba singi mathakta achumba thidoktuna chairak pi haudragadi khunai asi amambagi lambi amada chatkigani masida mara leiba sing chairak pihaudrabadi chatnabi ama onthokutuna Manipur gi exam center khudingmakta sandorakloi haningai leite maramaduna Manipur lengak na hiramasigi matangda athubada thabak laukhatkadabani amaromda kaksingi exam center kharada sakhangdaba kharana changlaga ngarang thokhiba subject ki paukhumche mahiroi singda yenthokhi haina desamda Pau Pangki, Masina Achumba Oirabadi, Kwaidagi Laibak Thibani, Asigumba Thawong Asi, Matungda Amukhanna, Tokhandanaba, Siam Jaina Miam the Kangalakli.
Ngarang si Wabagai Higher Secondary School da gi mahiroi singda ahian matam hapu yati haidna mahiroi singda iho ma ira ma sagalakla exam matam loiraba matunda exam atuda ikraba sijinakraba answer paper sing Madugo Mulaga Segaiba, Aduga, Tongan ba exam sida Changba, examination Marilena, Polam Sing, Tugaiba, Mang Takan, Sing, Bato, or Sida Sam Makidiki, Adukimatic, Yaning Daba, Adukongo Sari, Aduna Toko Sida, Marilena, Manipulengaki, Education Department, Inquiry Committee, Matum the Sembiraga, examination Sida, Maril Tahan Triba, Aran Pame, Sizinaba, answer paper sing Segairapa, and Mikana Singba, Segairapa, Mai Tado, Singba, set. Masigi Matanda, Kupa, Inquiry Committee, Amana, Tigalakanda, to the scenario of Mahiro Sing to the people Topa, Chirado, Ihanika Pamba, to the Sam Maketi Tamjari, scenario of Mahiro Sing to Tanasana. Mahiro Sing, Mamma, to Osita, Yokshan Liba, Itil Pisal Liba, Macham Susing, the not happy, but Arano Pambe, the Lamjing, Navigation of Mama passing to the soup, Marie Nava, Education Department. Michael Nagi, Akanba, Chera, Pianingi.
Jiriba Masi Medical Gilamda Kharas Thothab Maramna Disable Oiraba Angang Singda Matik Chaba Medical Ge Khudong Chabakaya P Bangamdana Lady Haina Manipur Ge Persons with Disabilities Ke State Commissioner Waikom Bidahari na Fungdorakli Ngasi Institute for Children with Disabilities ICD ki holda Achievement of a Rising Maiden ARM gi founder treasurer oirambi Laikhidrabi film Moirang Leima Devi gi Taruk Suba dead anniversary gi thoramda wafamasi mahagna fongdokhibani thoramadu hanagi RCI NEZCC gi chairperson Laisram Tokendra Riki amadi Juribam gi journal education officer Amurasi Chanusu sarukya Tharamgi saruk ama oina Laikhidrabi film Moirang Leima Devi gi mitamda hai laikatuna ikai khumnaba utke loinana Moirang Leima Memorial Award for Persons with Disabilities ki manasu locomotor disability shu oiriba primary teacher Muhammad Nizamuddin da lanthokuna pungning thawatke Thoramaduga Mari Lenana Waikom Birharina Fongdokibada, Juribamasi Medical Gilamda, Kara Sothabana, Disable Oiraba Angang Singda, Awang Bataki Medical Gi, Kudung Chaba Pibangamde, Adumoinamag, Angam Batakta Matamatam Gi Oina Medical Gi Kudung Chaba Kayama, Fanghale, Makatana Supi Kigani, Amaromda, Manipurasi, India Sports Ki Powerhouse Ama Oina Kangnarabasu, Disability Gi Sanaroi Kaya, Marang Kaina Putok Pangamdaba, si Laibak Tibani Haina Mahakna Makataki.
Right of persons with disability act to jo 16 a committee ko isu na thono ya gomena ko state state commissioner mo hapi state commissioner sing mo thata ya yoina chief commissioner mo le chief commissioner for persons with disabilities ko khada ko right of persons with disability act se to sahi tamtini tan pachu ngang sing expertise freedom ko jai tamni education tambakai doctor tambakai engineer tambakai TF tambakai BA tambakai ko hoise har person jobation ido sugado
Hauzik Paugi Marak Thatna Tenba break amatang lominase
SKTV na local operator singidamak nungairaba pau puduna luxury high speed internet IPTV OTT yauna atai khudong saba kya piripa SKTV gi saruk ama oibiu franchise ki kuthangda mapangal kalaba connection facility leijare local cable operator ama oiduna miyamda news amasung entertainment program sing yohanbiu SKTV gi technology amasung magun leiraba service asida adumsu yawbiu akupa marol gi damak mobile number 7005 259 437 natraga 8974 209 157 da call tawbiratuna khangbiba yagani
Break matung damu kahna taram nokchari makhata pau pizari Doctor amade engineer sing khusam naduna ana layeng gamari leinaba thabak sing hena khumang saksan nanabagi wakhalonda numit nini chupna pangthokadaba national conference ngasidagi rims Imphal gi banting hold hawdokre Med Engage Uniting Clinicians and Engineers for Biomedical Innovation UCEVI 2026 haiba hiramda pangthokpa conference asida masak naiba medical professionals engineers researchers amadi mahiroi singna sarukya ke National Institute of Technology NIT Manipur NIT Nagaland amadi RIMS Imphal na khusam naduna pangthokpa conference hawdokpagi thoramda RIMS ki director professor G Sunil Kumar Sharma NIT Manipur ki director professor DVLN Somaya Julu su sarukya ke thoramadu professor G Sunil Kumar hai kunmathoi suba chahi cha sida healthcare sector asi medicine technology data science amadi human center design the yumfam oibana hauziki matamda ana layeng yauna haksal ga mari leinaba thabak singda interdisciplinary collaboration tawbagi tangai fadabalai India se scientific resilience amadi cooperation gi apunba pangalna innovation da malem gi makok thongbangamle mahiroi sing amadi healthcare professional singna textbook khakta da mai onsin bagi mahod interdisciplinary collaboration da su akhanaba mityeng thamba mathautai med engage conference na mai pak pahaiba si fazaba publication puthokpa adu khaknate conference asida gi lakpa wakhalon sing da yumfam oiraga miyoi bagi punsi mahing fagadhanba amadi punsi kaya kanba ngamlaba matam aduda conference asigi mahai fangba oigani hainasu director professor G Sunil Kumar Sharma na makhata na fongdoki
Healthcare in 21st century stands in the intersection of medicine, technology, data science, human-centered design. The challenges we face ranging from infectious diseases and non-communicable disease and trauma care, rural health access, you name it, so we have lots of issues. Cannot be solved by one discipline alone. That demands collaboration, innovation, and shared purpose. As clinicians, we encounter real-world problems at the bedside every day: diagnostic limitations, equipment constraints, workflow inefficiencies, and pressing need of affordable solutions tailored to local context.
Lagliba tang kundagi kuntarit fauba kaibul lamjau National Park ta leiriba sangai amadi atai species sing masing thiba hauragani haina Manipur lenga ki Principal Chief Conservator of Forest Anurag Bajpai na khanghalakli. Hiram asigi matang da Chief Wildlife Warden Anurag Bajpai na thokpa public notice amana hai khongthang asi kaibul lamjau National Park ki management amasung masing likna leiriba sangai amadi park asida leiriba atai species ki masing khangdokna bani. Hairiba masing thiba gi thabak asi lagliba tang kundagi kuntaret fauba National Park Management na pangthokani maramaduna hairiba numit sing asida kaibul lamjau National Park asi visitor singi damak hangloi hainasu notice asina makhata na khanghalakli. Islam lining chatpa singi senglaba tha Ramadan lakpada mayang Imphal SG MLA K Robindrona lamdamasigi leiriba maitai pangal singi mafam da yai papausel pirakli. MLA Robindro na thadorak pa yai papausel asina hai senglaba Ramadan gi tha lakpada nungai yai faba amadi tangdulai taba purakpa oirasanu thauzal na thallaba matam asina sembi ba mapu gi mafamda thamliba thazaba adu nauhongna na Safong laknarabagi khudong saba amasu oiribani senglaba tha asina lakpada punsi asina chatkadaba lambi khuding manglan fanghanbaga loinana ing tappa amadi nungai yai faba oirasanu haina MLA Robindro gi pausel asina makhatari. Hozig loisalakpada maroiba pausing amukana pizari. Manipur tangdu leitaba fibam puraktana nungaiba yaroi miyam gi lengak ama leirabani na pumnamakki yenglaga thabak tauba tabani haina Chief Minister YKM Chana fongdokre. Amasung Congress Party na District President Khananabagi paikhalakpa Sangathan Srijan Avian gi manung channa Imphal East District ki President Khananaba mi pampang thokpa hokre. Matanga sida bulletin asilo sinjare Manipur miyam ki punsida khwaidagi hena maroiba state asigi lebag asigi amadi malem gi e pau singi damak SKTV News pu mityeng taduna lebiu pumnamakpo mukana khurumjari.